Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Day Trader David, and I hope you all are doing really fantastic today. Today it was weekly expiry Thursdays, and it was a fantastic day. I'll share, of course, you know that already with the title of this video, but we will share that, right? And today it was a good day. So before that, if you are someone new to this channel, then you can definitely subscribe to our channel. I post lots of analysis videos. Of course, I don't get much time to focus much on my YouTube channel, but then still I try my best to post videos. So whenever I get opportunity, whenever I see something good happening over here, over in market, then I try to post my analysis. Okay. So I hope my videos are much useful. Even yesterday, I posted a video like Bank Nifty ready to fall or what, but things didn't happen as per our analysis. Like we were expecting an analysis but it didn't happen overall because of the huge gap up, right? The all the bears were already trapped today. Even you can see I posted a video like bear trap, and then I even posted the bear attack versus the day trader David attack, my personal attack to market. That was just for fun overall, because I was holding some nifty options and because of the huge gap up, it almost became zero, not zero, but it opened at around at 5. My holding price was 35. That was totally fine because my risk was completely managed. Let me just show you my position. You can see over here, you can see, right, my buying price was around 35 and my closing price was around 4.5. So it is a loss of around 11,500 rupees, which was recovered within, let's say, 1 hour of market opening. And the fun part is I recovered this amount with Nifty itself. As I always say, I don't trade in Nifty much, but yesterday I took BTST in Nifty because I was able to see some scope. I was getting some scope in Nifty because we'll talk on that. But overall, I covered that in with Nifty only. You can clearly see here a profit of around 13,000, which was totally covered in morning time itself. And then you can see some cash trading in Amaraja Battery, SR Transfin, and Titans they were just for fun as in just to time pass. Like I was not able to get some good trades in index, so I was just doing some time pass with trading in cash. You can see the profits are also small and losses are also small. So apart from that, overall, it's a milestone. Personally, it's a milestone to me because today the profit, my total MTM, you can clearly see my MTM is 2,01,000 rupees. Let's say round number 2 lakh rupees. So it's a milestone to me, right? I never made this profit in on an intraday basis, and even in swing trade, I didn't made. Frankly, I didn't made this profit as of now. But today is the first time I'm seeing this. I have booked this profit. Of course, once I saw profits like almost 2.2 lakhs, but I was not able to book that due to some glitch. Okay, but today, uh, God was kind and even markets were kind. So, overall, from negative opening of my account to a positive closing of 2 lakh rupees. Okay, but these profits are not made in. So, I don't make these profits every day. So, you must understand that I'm not that kind of trader who makes lakhs and lakhs of rupees in every day. I make few thousands. Okay. Frankly, talking about that, I make few thousands like 25,000, 30,000, 50,000, or maybe 70, 75,000. Even yesterday, you won't believe me, even yesterday, my profit was 1 lakh 5,000 rupees. So it was a fantastic profits. And today, even today, so it was a good day. So this risk, you can see, risk of 11,000. Yesterday, I made around 1 lakh. So this is just a 10% of that, so we can risk that, right? A small amount of our profits can always be risked to make more. Okay, so this is how I made 2 lakhs today. So we will In this video, we will talk about markets, like how did market perform. So overall, don't focus on these profits. Of course, these profits are important as well, because we are humans. We This is our earnings. This is our hard-earned earnings. This is a result of few years. Okay, this is not a result like I started trading yesterday and today I am making 2 lakh rupees. So this is not that result. This is result of my years. So this is a proof. Okay, this is a proof that I am growing in market. So a lot of people trade in market but they don't grow in market. So this is how you grow in market. Like, let's say earlier you were making in thousands, and then slowly you start making in lakhs. Of course, losses are part of our trading. So even here you can see a loss of around 57,500. So losses are always part of our trading, but it is about how we overcome that loss, how we see that losses, which is very much important in market. So overall, it was a fantastic day. But by seeing the MTMs, don't be like, a lot of people may think like they are not able to make profits in market. So why? What is the reason behind all those things? So I will discuss. I have made a small thing, so we will discuss on this also, like what is important for profits, how to grow in market. So overall, it was, of course, it was a fantastic day, no doubt on that. And moreover, the best part is this is my 100th video on my YouTube channel. I am posting my 100th video on my channel with a milestone. I just checked that, and it is a milestone, right? 100th video, and that too posting some fantastic videos. So this video can be sort of lengthy because I feel like talking about markets. I feel like talking about the market psychology, and I will also talk about the journey, as in how you can get here, how you can trade better, how you can grow in market. We will talk about that, which is much more important also. So which will help you all to make or grow in markets, right? Profits are just a part of our process, so we will talk about that. So overall, what happened today, and we will see that why did I went huge, as in you can also see my position at some point. At this trade I made 1 lakh in this particular trade itself. Okay, so how did I made that? We will talk on that. Of course, no miss outs today. We usually miss profits, we usually miss a lot of stuffs and all. We miss entry points, we miss exit points, lots of blah blah blah, few mistakes also. Of course, not a perfect human, not a better or not a huge trader, just a simple common trader. So mistakes are part of my trades. So I just try to avoid that mistakes whenever I trade next time. So Nifty, let's first talk about the BTST trade or the loss trade that I made in Nifty. So from there we will just begin. Okay. So this is a trend line in Nifty. This is a daily chart of Nifty. So yesterday we got a closing almost at the trend line. So what was my expectation was or Nifty to, my simple expectation was Nifty will break 14,600 today. Today, as in, yes, of course, 600. So that was the reason I bought 14,600. But you can also see that, of course, Nifty closed below that, but after a gap up. Okay, so why was I confident? Because this trend line was a multiple time tested one, right? So here the more scope was about a breakdown. So I was expecting a breakdown. Of course, that's the reason why I bought a BTST trade. So it was a good trade though, right? But unfortunately, see, carrying overnight positions are very much risky. We must truly understand that, right? Carrying overnight positions, because nothing is on our hands. Anything could happen, and anytime it could happen. So we must be prepared for that, right? So there was a gap up. So I got a exit almost at 4.5, as we saw. But what about my loss covering? I did my loss covering with same Nifty. I'm some kind of rude guy when it comes to trading, as in if I made loss in Nifty, sometimes, not always. I'm some a slightly risky trader also, not always, but of course sometimes. Okay, so if you check here, Let me just discuss that. Here we can see some sort of support, right? So what happened today was, of course, Nifty opened gap up, right? Today's candle is, this is the first candle, and then Nifty opened gap up, and then it went up, and then it came down till here. Okay, so where did I sell Nifty? That is the important question. So see, I am sharing this because it will be useful to you whenever you're trading, because trading is a part of learning, of course, right? So you can see this is a support level, right? And it was broken now, so it is going to act as a resistance. So I already drawn this level on Nifty, and then when Nifty made a red candle at this resistance, okay, when Nifty made a red candle at this resistance, and there was a price action kind of thing. So at this point, I bought put option in Nifty and holded it till this point. Okay, I bought in the money, of course. I don't remember at the money. I bought at the money, and I holded Nifty till this point. Why? Because at lower level there is a support. Nifty has opened to gap up, so it might take support at this level, right? That was the expectation of Nifty. So that is the reason why I exited that, of course, with good profit, and I was able to see for my MTM in positive. So overall, I closed my positions over there, and my position was green today. So that was the only trade that I did in morning in Nifty, and I didn't sell any options. I gave to sell options. I gave option selling to my premium members. I gave both P and C, as I mentioned, like in my yesterday's video, expiry video, like I will trade both in both P and C, because there are chances that Bank Nifty might go sideways. Right? It was sideways, but then at certain point I asked them to exit put option. Certain point, as in at this point itself. Okay, at this point itself, I asked them to short exit. Exit put option. Exited. We exited it with loss of 15 points. Of course, we had a call option sell also. So it was overall. It is a green day. So our overall profits matter. But particular trades doesn't matter overall, right? So let's talk about Bank Nifty also. So in Nifty overall, as I said, I was expecting this trend line breakdown. So you can clearly see there was a halt yesterday at this trend line. So I was expecting a flat opening at least, and then a follow up, or then a gap down. But that didn't happen. Nifty and Bank Nifty both opened with a huge gap up because of the global clues and all. But that was totally fine, because it was in trading, that is totally fine. Okay, so let's talk about Bank Nifty, because we are Bank Nifty traders. We don't prefer trading in much. We don't prefer much trading in Nifty, right? So in Bank Nifty, if you check, it was a good day. Bank Nifty, right? Bank Nifty showed some clear indications. Okay, so if you see Bank Nifty at this point, okay, let's not say this, or let's say this. This was the Bank Nifty level, which was a very important level. Why it is a important level? Let us just see. Yesterday, from where did the breakdown happen? From this level, at the last hour, of course, from this level. So this was a support which was broken yesterday, right? So today, even if you see, Bank Nifty came at this point first time, and it took support. Second time, it took support. So third time, as in, if this was a proper support. Now listen carefully. If this was a proper support, then Bank Nifty will not visit this support again and again. This is a simple logic. Okay. If the support is a proper support, then Bank Nifty will take support and it will try to make higher high, or at least it will go sideways. And both didn't happen. And Bank Nifty was testing this level multiple times. And Bank Nifty was proving that the support is not that important to me. The support is not that important to me, and I want to break this support, and I want to go for, or I want to fall down. I want to go down. I'm not interested in upside. So that was the reason we exited our put options, right? Bank Nifty was clearly saying, but I didn't expect this much fall. Of course, I didn't expect. My expectation was Bank Nifty will not break, because it was a gap up. So of course, I was not expecting this much fall, but what my expectation was, Bank Nifty will take support somewhere around yesterday's low. Okay, Bank Nifty will not try to break yesterday's low. That was that was my expectation. So that was the reason why I didn't went huge. Okay, so I was going small. So overall, I made some profits in this fall also, and then I was waiting. But then Bank Nifty broke out clearly. My second entry was somewhere around this. Okay, my second entry was this one, which was a best entry. You can clearly see. Let me just draw it out. It was a small entry, but a fantastic entry because I bought at the money, and you can see it's good follow up. So this is where I made 1 lakh rupees. So overall, what's important in trading is you need to understand the price. Okay. So once you learn to understand the price, only then you can sustain the market. Only then you can grow in market, right? So as I said, so Bank Nifty was clearly the price. So overall, the price was clearly saying that it is not interested on upside, and it is also not interested in sideways. So it is ready to fall. So once the price is giving us confirmation, we need to trade according to that. Only then we can gain some profits in market. Okay. So I hope this was a simplest analysis behind the 2 lakh. So a lot of people might think that 2 lakh rupees profit. So there must be a hardcore analysis, this, that. No, nothing. It was a small and simple analysis about market. So simple and how we understand the market. So overall, that resulted really very well, right? So I hope this video was useful. So now we will discuss some psychological aspects. Now we will see like what is more important in trading, right? So a lot of people are like they focus on profits, but profit is not the ultimate goal in markets. Of course, uh, everyone likes profit, but if you trade only for profit, then you are going to lose, or someday market is going to kick you out. Okay, sorry. Uh, so that's a hardcore truth about market, that we cannot focus on market on profit. Of course, profits are much important because we all are humans and we need money to sustain. So our like daily livelihood, we need money, but in market you cannot sit like I want this profit, I want that profit. So how to attain that profit, right? How did I got this profit of 2 lakh rupees? How did I grow in market? So that's what we are going to discuss. So first of all, so everything here is, yeah, all words start with P. Okay, so what is P? So P stands for patience. First of all, you need a proper patience in market. Okay, so before that, P also stands for proper learning. So first of all, you need proper learning in market. Okay, without learning, if you are just trading for fun, then that's okay. You might have huge amount of money in your bank accounts, but market will take away all your money. Okay, you should have proper learning in market. Only then you can grow in market. This is point number one: proper learning. Second, you need patience. So a lot of people have proper learning. Okay, no doubt on that. A lot of people have proper learning. They have learning, but not proper learning. Because if it was a proper learning, so then patience, persistence, process, everything will be inherited in that proper learning. So, in order to get a complete package of learning, you need to have patience in market. See, as I said, money doesn't grow overnight. I say this always. Money doesn't grow overnight. Money grow over the period of time. You need to give time to market. We are all learners in market. No one is perfect in market. We can fail. We are all humans. We can fail multiple times in market. We can fail n number of times in market. But we need to sustain the market with patience. Patience, as in, whenever there is a good trade, we need to have patience. So that's what patience. Patience. There are a lot of aspects of patience, but one of the aspects is that You need to have patience in market with for learning. Only then you can grow. Third is persistence. You need to have persistence. Only then you can achieve your goal in market. Only then you can grow in market. So a person who doesn't have persistence, so hardly he can sustain over here in this market. This market is very rude and complicated. Everything looks simple, but it is very complicated. You need to have proper learning. You need to have proper patience. You need to have persistence. Third is the process. So all this is a process. So you need to believe in the process. This is the most important part of trading. You need to believe in process. Only then you can grow. You should not believe in profits. Don't put your eyes on profits. Okay, money can come today, it can go tomorrow. Today I'm making 2 lakh, I made 2 lakh profits. Tomorrow I might lose 1 lakh rupees. No one can say. Nobody knows actually how much can I lose. So I can lose, I may even lose 2 lakhs also. So we cannot keep our eyes on profits. So where we need to keep our eyes are the process of learning, the process of patience, the process of persistence. So if you inherit all these things, if you focus on all these things, then there are high chances that you can succeed in market. See, learning as in just learning about technical aspects about market is just not enough. Okay, that is the easiest part of market. You can learn all the technicals in just few days. You can learn everything in just 2 days. All the technicals, everything can be learned within 1 day itself also. But practicing that with patience is the most important. But using that, applying that in live market is the most important. So that's the playground. That's where you need to play. So just watching people playing football is a different thing, and getting into the field and playing the same is a different thing, right? So for that you need to keep your eyes on process. You need to believe the process. You need to trust the process. Someday it will result in a good growth. Okay, so a lot of people may think like they are not growing in market, they are making continuous losses in market. So all those things are common in market. You need to have persistence with proper learning. Okay, proper learning is very important. For that, by that I mean, whenever you make a mistake in market, okay, you need to identify that mistake, and you need to rectify that mistake, and you need to avoid that mistake next time. So that is how you can grow in market, right? So that's all about this video, because that's how I grow. That's how I grew in market. So just wanted to share that also with this milestone. So once again, it's a happiest day to me, because not because of these profits, because 2 lakh rupees I may get this money like if I trade in 10 days, and I'm making like 25,000 every day. Then also I may get 2 lakh rupees. But same in a single trading session I made this first time. So that's a happiness to me. Happiness as in, it is a proof of, it is personally, it's a proof to me that yes, I am growing in market. And that's what important in market. The growth aspects are important in market, right? So I hope this video was useful to you all. And don't put your eyes on profits, put your eyes on process, persistence, and proper learning and patience. Okay, so that's how you can grow. So I hope this video was useful to you all, and that if at all it was useful, then definitely hit the like button. It will definitely motivate me today personally. It will help me to motivate myself to make more videos for you all. So this is just a journey, right? As of when I grow, um, as of how I grow, I just share everything with you all. We are just a family. We are more than a family. We are friends, right? I may be younger to you. Maybe some people I may be elder to you also. Maybe for most of the people we would be of the same age as well. But the learning, the experience matters. So focus on learning. Don't keep your eyes on money, because a lot of people may post their profits like they made this. So a lot of people get demotivated, according to that also. So that was the reason. That is the reason why I don't usually post, because even yesterday I made 1 lakh, frankly, but I didn't post that screenshot, right? Because a lot of people also get demotivated with that thing also. So overall, it's a good journey as of now. So let's see till how we sustain, how we grow in market. So that was a fantastic day. So I hope even you would have made the made the most out of today's market session. So I'm having slightly fever. So that is why I was not much active last few days also, and even today I'm having fever. But I traded actively because Thursdays are my favorite days. So I hope this video was useful, and also share this video with your friends, so trader friends, because share this learning with them, because a lot of people just focus on profits. Okay, so take your eyes from profits and put your eyes on process, believe in the process, trust in the process. So by with that being said, I meet you all with some another learning video. Until then, take care, and thank you for watching.